Hello and welcome to another episode of Road and Race. Today you find me on the farm. Now don't worry, this isn't going to be a tractor repair or something like that. I've actually come to see a neighbour's car. So he has a Honda S2000. I know, nice car. But it's been parked up here on the farm for a good while and he wants to sell it. But it needs a bit of work, and so I've just come down to try and help him out and see if I can get it tidied up so he can sell it. So let's kind of have a look inside. Here we are in the barn, and this is apparently it. It's got a sheet on it to keep it clean. Oh, there we are. Very nice. Must admit, I've never driven one of these cars. I always wanted to. It's a nice little motor, isn't it? So straight away I can see there's a number of things that are immediately wrong with it. Mark on the front bumper. There's some repair work here on the sill. And the rear bumper is a bit damaged. I'm going to try and see if I can get this outside in the light so we can get a better view. But apparently the battery's dead, so I'm just going to put a jumper on it and see if we can get it started. Hey, it's running! Here we are, with the car out in the open. A good look at it now. So there's that bumper scratch I talked about. First wheel, I don't know, it's hard to tell when it's not clean, but probably do a bit of a refurb there. Moving around, there's a scratch on the, I think that's it's on the wing, isn't it? Okay, or is that just dirt? No, that's like a scratch. Another scratch there, maybe that'll polish out. The roof, it's disappointing, isn't it? There's a tear there. There's like a little stab mark here. Probably need a new roof. Rear wheel, same really as the other one. Needs a bit of a refurb. Round the back now. The owner said that he reversed the car into a brick wall. That's why I've got that kind of brick indentation into it. He also said that the bumper's very wobbly. Yeah. Oh, another scratch there. There's a lot of cosmetic marks on this car. Missing the centre cap in here. A little bit of something going on, a bit of rust maybe creeping in here. The actual arches seem okay. Another scratch. Another tear. Another tear. And again, wheel refurb. All in all though, doesn't look terrible. New number plate bit. He also said that there's a weather seal here is loose or something, like you can feel it just flapping around. That'll need doing. Should we see inside? Well, it needs a clean. It's quite a smart interior, the old S2000. I love the digital dash. Look at that. It's like from Knight Rider, isn't it? Brilliant. Driver's seat's seen better days. Look at that. The rips, tears. Really has unloved, unfortunately, this car, isn't it? Anything else to say in here? Nothing really. Probably a bit of a clean, maybe some new floor mats, might sort this stuff out. Just have a quick look in the boot. So what do we have? This is apparently a protective cover. If you're going to have the roof down all the time, you can put this on and it helps protect against the elements. Boot looks fairly tidy. It only says that the handbrake light, or this brake light, continues to stay on. So if I put the handbrake down, that light should go off, but it doesn't. So we'll need to investigate that. A quick look under the bonnet, why not? See what the engine's like. There it is. 4-cylinder, developing about 200 horsepower, I think. Moog from Mighty Car Mod said this was the most powerful naturally aspirated engine when this first came out. I'll need to look into that. But anyway, yeah, again, just needs a bit of a clean really, I think, in here. Might need a service, a bit of a tune-up. I'll check it out. So there we are, a quick look around the S2000. I'm quite confident actually that there isn't too much to do really. It's mostly cosmetic. I think I can help out, just get the car tidied up, get it ready for sale. I'll take it home, get it on the lift, see if there's anything untoward in there as well, and set apart just to fixing all the issues. So yeah, I'm quite excited about this. So stay tuned on the channel for S2000 content. Quick note just to say, if you do enjoy the video, give it a like because that really helps the channel. And I've got memberships now. Again, this is my full-time job now, so if you do want to become a member and support me, much appreciated. The biggest perk is that you get exclusive videos, so look forward to those. Anyway, as always, thanks for watching.